Hi Ji class, welcome you all in lecture 4 of chapter motion class 9. So let's start. Beta. Till now we discussed about motion, rest, scalar quantity, vector quantity, distance and displacements. So today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is speed. So it's quite difficult to define what is speed. हाँ speed आप ये कह दोगे सर जो चल रहा है जो मोशन में है उसके पास speed है, but actually the speed is in terms of physics. You can say speed, it tells us how fast or how slow an object is moving is called, or how fast or how slow an object is moving called speed. Or you can say speed tells us distance covered by the body in a given interval of time. You can say speed is distance traveled by a body in a given interval of time. ठीक है ना? So what is speed बेटा? Distance traveled by the body in a given interval of time, or speed is how fast or how slow an object is moving. That is your speed. Okay. So mathematically the formula for speed is distance by time. Distance by time. Now suppose beta an object is traveling 5 meter distance for 1 second. 5 meter distance for 1 second. It means the speed of body is 5 meter per second. Okay. So from this you can write this meter per second. Meter per second is unit of speed. Unit of speed. Now the speed doesn't have any direction. The speed doesn't have any direction. It means the speed is a scalar quantity. It means this speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. I repeat beta, speed tells us how fast or how slow an object is moving. That is your speed. Or you can say distance traveled by the body in a given interval of time. That is also your speed. Okay. And the formula is speed is equal to distance by time. The formula for speed is distance by time. And meter per second is the unit of speed. Okay beta. Now speed is a scalar quantity because it does not have any direction. So this is all about speed. Okay beta. Now we have types of speed. Type of speed. The very first type is uniform speed. Uniform speed. Uniform मतलब ड्रेस नहीं डाल रखा है उसने, ठीक है ना? Uniform means if a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. If a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. If a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time, that is known as your uniform speed. Okay, let's take an example beta. A person is over here at time 9 AM. The person is over here. Okay, and this is our origin. This is our origin O. Okay, now the person is 5 meter away. 5 meter away at 9 AM. And as the person start moving and reaches at this point at 9:05 AM. At 9:05 AM by traveling a distance of 5 meter in 2 seconds. In 2 seconds. Okay beta. Now what is speed? Distance covered by the body is 5 meter. Okay, and time taken by the body is 2 seconds. So speed is 5 by 2 meter per second or 2.5 meter per second. Okay, now again the person is moving from point, this is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Now the person reaches at point C at 9:10 am, again travel a distance of 5 meter by taking time of 2 seconds. Now body again travel a distance of 5 meter in 2 seconds. Similarly again the body reaches at point D over here, again travel a distance of 5 meter in 2 seconds. So in all these cases, all these intervals, the body travel equal distance. The body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. This is known as uniform speed. This is known as uniform speed. Means a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time. That is known as uniform speed. That is known as uniform speed. Okay. So speed, how fast or how slow an object is moving. Formula, distance by time. Unit, meter per second. Type, scalar quantity. Uniform speed, equal distance covered by the body in equal interval of time. Okay. Now the next is non-uniform speed. The next is beta non-uniform speed. Non-uniform means non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Now here the body cover unequal distance in unequal interval of time. Unequal interval of time. When a body cover unequal distance in unequal interval of time, that is known as non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Let's take an example, beta. The person is over here at 9 am. And at this point A, and travel a distance of suppose 10 meter and reaches at this point B, where it reaches at the point B by travel a distance of 10 meter and taking a time of suppose 2 seconds. Now again the person is moving and reaches at this point C by travel a distance of 15 meter by taking a time of 1 second. Now the person reaches at this point D and travel a distance of, you can say, 50 meter taking a time of 10 seconds. So every time distance are unequal or time is also unequal. Okay, this is known as non-uniform motion. It may be the case like this. ऐसा भी हो सकता था that body cover equal distance in unequal interval of time. ऐसा भी हो सकता था. आप देखो मीनिंग क्या है हमारा. मीनिंग ये, चलो मैं बताता हूँ. केस 1 पहला केस मैंने लिया. यहाँ स्पीड कितनी है बेटा? 10/2, that is 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. यहाँ स्पीड कितनी है? 10/1, 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. यहाँ स्पीड कितनी है? 10/10, 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो देखो इसमें क्या हुआ, स्पीड इज रेगुलरली चेंजिंग. 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड, 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो स्पीड क्या हो रही है? चेंज हो रही है. जहां पर स्पीड चेंज हो रही हो, दैट इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. ऐसा भी हो सकता था, एक और केस बताता हूँ आपको. मान लीजिए दैट डिस्टेंस इज डिफरेंट, 5, 10, 15 एंड 20. ये डिस्टेंस अलग अलग है और टाइम इज सेम एवरीवेयर. टाइम क्या है? सेम. देखो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, 10/2, this is 5 meter per second. 15/2, this is 7.5 meter per second. 20/2, this is 10 meter per second. So every time the speed is different. Every time द स्पीड इज डिफरेंट। तो स्पीड का चेंज होना भी, ये ध्यान रखो, स्पीड जहां चेंज हो रही है ना, दैट इज योर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। और एक तो मैंने बताया है, पहला सबसे पहले क्या बताया था कि दोनों ही अनइक्वल, बोथ आर अनइक्वल, अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस इन अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। ये वाला केस कौन सा बताया था, जब इक्वल डिस्टेंस हो, अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम हो। ये क्या बताया था, जब हमारे पास इक्वल टाइम हो, अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस हो। और तीसरा क्या हो जाएगा, अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस इन अनइक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। तीनों ही केसेस में आएगा क्या, कॉमन क्या है तीनों केसेस में, जो स्पीड आएगी ना बेटा, वो स्पीड पहले वाली स्पीड से डिफरेंट होगी, अलग होगी। सो दैट इज नोन एज योर नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। सो यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड when body cover equal distance on equal interval of time, यानी हर एक टाइम पे जो स्पीड होगी वो क्या होगी, सेम होगी। और यहाँ पर हर एक मोमेंट पर स्पीड क्या होगी आपकी, अलग अलग होगी। ठीक है ना। सो दिस इज अबाउट यूनिफॉर्म एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड। ठीक है, ओके क्लास, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट then you can ask to me, otherwise thank you so much, this is enough for the today. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मिलते हैं फिर लेक्चर नंबर 5। ओके, थैंक यू।